Welcome to AI Infra, not 7 YouTube channel. Right now, everyone is asking the same question. Will AI kill my job? In the IT industry, this worry is hitting infrastructure, DevOps, and SRE engineers the hardest. They're facing two major questions. First, is my role actually going to disappear? And second, what do I even need to learn to future-proof my career? Let's find the answer now. Will AI replace infrastructure engineers, cloud engineers, and site reliability engineers? The answer is no. Your role is not disappearing. It is evolving. But how? If we look at the history of IT, we've lived through this before. 15 years ago, we were system administrators. 90% of our day was spent inside the operating system and the command line. Then, virtualization and cloud computing took over. Containers and observability transformed our workflows. Our responsibilities expanded beyond the OS, creating the cloud, DevOps, and SRE roles we know today. Now we enter the next phase. AI is fundamentally changing how infrastructure is designed, secured, and automated. It won't replace us. It will empower us. We are evolving into AI-enabled infrastructure engineers. Just as the cloud defined the last decade, AI will define the next. AI is absolutely amazing for infrastructure management. As highlighted on the screen here, AI excels at handling repetitive tasks. It generates Shell, Python, Terraform, and Ansible scripts in seconds, work that used to take hours or days. Automation initiatives that normally take 4 to 5 weeks are now finishing in just 2 or 3 days using LLMs like ChatGPT and Copilot, which are available to infra engineers in most workplaces or accessed via their personal devices. Troubleshooting is just as easy. Copy an error log, paste it, and get instant commands. Infra engineers no longer need to memorize syntax or spend hours analyzing logs, metrics, or audit trails. But here's the catch. While AI delivers a script immediately, it lacks context. As shown on the screen, AI cannot replace architecture, design, or security compliance. We fundamentally need human expertise to validate the code, customize it to our environment, and ensure it's secure against cyber attacks. AI replaces repetitive work, but complex problem-solving still belongs to the engineer. We will talk more specifically about this in the coming slides. If you're an infrastructure engineer, cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, or SRE with around 3+ years experience, this is probably where you are today. Your daily work includes Linux or Windows administration, managing cloud virtual machines, responding to monitoring alerts, handling support tickets, troubleshooting issues, and writing basic Bash or Python scripts. These are essential skills, but they're also the first areas where AI is making a significant impact. Today, AI can analyze logs, summarize incidents, suggest root causes, generate infrastructure as code using Terraform, write automation scripts, and even resolve common support tickets. This doesn't mean your job is disappearing. It means your role is evolving. The future roles for engineers at this level include AI Ops engineer, cloud automation engineer, platform engineer, and reliability engineer. To prepare for these roles, strengthen your cloud knowledge, learn Kubernetes, Terraform, Python, Git, CI/CD, and become comfortable using AI coding assistants. One skill I strongly recommend is prompt engineering. Think of it as learning how to communicate effectively with AI. For example, instead of asking, write a Terraform script, ask, generate Terraform code to deploy a highly available AWS VPC with public and private subnets following AWS best practices. The quality of your prompt directly affects the quality of the result. Another example is troubleshooting. Instead of asking, why is my Kubernetes pod failing? Provide the pod status, events, and sanitize logs. Then ask AI to identify the root cause and recommend the next troubleshooting steps. One important caution. Never copy and paste production logs, customer data, passwords, IP addresses, or confidential information into public AI tools. Always sanitize or mask sensitive information, or use your organization's approved AI platform. Finally, start exploring AI-powered monitoring and operations tools, such as Dynatrace Davis AI, Datadog AI, New Relic AI, Splunk AI Assistant, Microsoft Copilot for Azure, Google Cloud Gemini, and Amazon Q Developer. Build a small home lab, create pilot projects, and start using these tools today. The engineers who experiment now will be the engineers leading tomorrow. If you are in a mid-level role of experience as a DevOps, SRE, or infrastructure engineer, you might be wondering how AI will impact your career. Today, your daily tasks involve production support, automation, site reliability, mentoring juniors, and infrastructure design. But here's the AI threat. Artificial intelligence is becoming incredibly good at optimizing pipelines, auto-scaling environments, and instantly summarizing incident root causes based on historical data. It will handle the repetitive work. To stay ahead, your future lies in roles like AI platform engineer, infrastructure automation lead, or cloud platform engineer. You must focus your skills on advanced Kubernetes, GitOps, observability, security automation, and AI-powered operations. Crucially, you need to master AI infrastructure and GPU management. You have to move beyond just CPU and RAM and learn how to provision, monitor, and optimize GPU clusters for AI teams. You also need to learn FinOps, because AI workloads are incredibly expensive to run, and companies need engineers to track and optimize those costs. Start upskilling now to add these credentials to your resume. Pursue certifications like the NVIDIA Certified Associate AI Infrastructure Operations, known as NCIO, along with advanced cloud DevOps courses. You don't need a huge budget. Use free tier VMs on AWS or Google Cloud, and take free training from NVIDIA, Google, AWS, and others. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to get step-by-step guides for pilot real-time AI use cases on those free resources, and lead the future of infrastructure. Here is the ultimate takeaway. The IT engineers who lose their jobs won't lose them to AI. They will lose them to other engineers who know how to use AI. Remember, AI is becoming your co-engineer, not your replacement. To future-proof your career, you need to master a specific stack. Your foundation must be Linux, Terraform, and Kubernetes. From there, master AI infrastructure, specifically GPUs, InfiniBand including AI clustering and AI networking. Master this stack, and you'll be well-positioned for the next decade. So, don't ask if AI will take your job. Ask how you can use it to become a better engineer. I hope we've clarified how to future-proof your career. Thanks for watching the AI Infra 7 YouTube channel. See you all in the next video.